So we have an update on everyone's favourite leopard gecko, it would seem. Moki! So Moki, for those that don't know, Moki came in as a rehome. So the average sort of leopard gecko will weigh between sort of 60 and 80 grams. Little Moki here, or maybe not so little Moki here, weighs 110 grams. So he's rather gigantic. Hence I've given him a bit of a deeper enclosure than I would for a normal leopard gecko. But again, he gets LED and UVB. You just gonna, okay, I'm sorry. Sorry I disturbed you. Let's put you there while I put this back. But, bye Moki. So he's got, this is sort of his humid hide. There's sphagnum moss and things in there. He's then got a hotter hide under there, basking area over there, and then this is like his little favourite cave, which he just seems to be in most of the time. Again, on occasion he'll go where he is now to catch some of the UVB, and then if he really wants to warm up, he'll go over there to get himself nice and warm too. But yeah, there we go. That's Moki. He's doing great. So we've just got a nice another little restock. Just get these out of the way. So all these tubs are going to be the little baby corns that are hatched out, and I'll be setting those up today, separating them out as they've all had their first shed now. And then there's mostly just customer orders in here. So cute little desert fake plants, as the person's bearded dragon just eats all the real plants. So we'll go for these. They're quite, I'm usually not a fan, but quite like these ones. There's this one, and then there's this sort of little 3-set one in there as well. Loads of gecko diet, as I needed a restock on that, including the dragon fruit. I had a customer that said that their gecko would only eat the dragon fruit, and I can't remember who it was. Oh, that's bad of me. Well, hopefully they see this, and I've got dragon fruit back in again, but I'll be doing a Facebook post anyway. Leaf litter blocks, again, these always sell out really quickly, so I'm trying to keep on top of those. Standard coir, leaf litter packs, so it's a good combination if you have the smaller leaf litter block as like a mixed in with your normal substrate, and then you can pop this on top because these are the same as these in terms of the leaf mix. So I'm going to get those out of the way. And sphagnum moss as well. I do prefer using the Pro Rep sphagnum moss just because you get lots of different colours in there. There's greens, reds, pinks. So I'm going to get all the gecko diet out, all the moss out, all the substrate bits and bobs out, and yeah, sort these corn snakes. So I've almost finished the baby corn snake enclosures. So I've got enclosure hide here, little hides here. I'll then put some foliage here. I'm probably also going to offer another bit of cork bark here, just so they can really sort of squish themselves in, so that they do feel comfortable. And then they've all had their first shed. The next step is getting 5-6 consecutive meals down them, and then they'll be ready to go to their new little homes. There we go, just a royal python out during the day, having a little bask under a solar flood, a DHP, UVB, LED. Having a lovely time. Isn't that right, Chunkster? Yeah, okay, maybe I shouldn't have disturbed her. But, you know, just a royal out basking during the day. So yeah, always offer your royals a nice basking spot, as they do use it. She'll now head off and go back to bed. So I've almost finished the baby corn snake enclosures. So I've got enclosure hide here, little hides here. I'll then put some foliage here. I'm probably also going to offer another bit of cork bark here, just so they can really sort of squish themselves in, so that they do feel comfortable. And then they've all had their first shed. The next step is getting 5, 6 consecutive meals down them, and then they'll be ready to go to their new little homes. Hello, so this has been a particularly short one. I've just been so busy, but I have got some really cool stuff coming over the next few days that's gonna make for some insane content. I've got some really cool animals coming in, so I'll be doing some really cool setups, so keep an eye on that. And yeah, thanks for watching again. If you haven't already, there's a subscribe button so you'll get notified on all the videos when I upload them, including all the future stuff that I've got coming, which is going to be super exciting. I've got a few people that I'm going to be working with to do bits and bobs, and yeah, leaving any sort of comment or like is really helpful as well, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.